I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video, we're going to go over reviewing leads and active members. It's a good idea to always track your members, see who's signed up for a test, see who's active and see who's inactive. It's always good to keep an eye on who downgrades so you can work on getting them back. So to see who's signed up as a lead and what status they have, you first come to Builderall Business and then Your Leads. And then you're going to see this page here with all the information about your current leads. So you can search by name, email or sign up date, and you can also filter by status, whether they're inactive, active or test. If they're inactive, that means they've finished their 7-day trial and haven't upgraded, or they've cancelled their account. If they're active, that means they've upgraded and paid to become an active account. If they're on test, that means they're within their 7-day free trial. Clicking on options allows you to download a CSV spreadsheet of all of your leads. This is useful if you want to see who's active and inactive, and then you can compare side by side to see who's dropped off and when. So the information you see here can be really important. So you have the ID of the person here. So this is their unique ID. This is also their affiliate ID. Then you have their name, their email, which is obviously important, and then their sign up date. Now, these two are especially important, so it shows you what website that they signed up on and the parameters. So this is a tracking link which shows that this person came from my YouTube channel. I set that up as a YouTube link, so I know exactly what link that person clicked on to come into my leads area. So it's very important to set up your parameters tracking so you know where your leads are coming from. And of course the status, and if there's any observations such as they've signed up for a student account or something else like that, that'll appear here. So in this video we went over reviewing leads and active members.